YouTube, what's good? It's your boy KINGSLEDGE. You already know my channel, SHOTTOHEAD. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, today I've got yet another unboxing, and you already saw from the title, this is gonna be the Jordan 5 International 5. You know, some people call it the Barcelonas. If you can tell from the box, you know, like it has got the globe on there, and then I've got the size 10.5. There you go. So right now this shoe is sitting up on Shake and eBay and a lot of, you know, shopping sites. I thought they were gonna sell out, but apparently they didn't sell out. You know, box price is suggested retail is $190, but I paid $150 for these. So let's get into the box so you can look at it. So you can see the paper right here. It's got the international and then Jordan symbol running on paper right here, like across the globe. Let me take both of them out. That smells really good, you know, like the shoe smells good. I can smell it from here. So, alright, quick review. It's got the black midsole and the orange speckled, you know, this one looks like the shark teeth. So hypothetically, I heard that Jordan was moving on the field like, you know, World War II fighter jet. So they used this. It was designed by Tinker Hatfield. He designed this shoe, so he put that in there to make it signify, like, you know, the fighter jet from World War II. So it's got a nice sail cream colorway, you know, beautiful shoe. Side panel looks like a graffiti with blue and orange colorway. Black midsole, lace lock right here. You got this nice lace lock, the crystal clear, and then the orange. You've got that little meshy panel over here. It's plastic. 23 embroidered over here in blue and orange. Let's take it to the bottoms. You got the black and the clear icy blue. So, and then also you've got the Jumpman in orange. So beautiful shoes. Jordan 5s, you know, like they designed it really well. I like the leather on there, and let's see. Inside you've got your shoe tree. You also got your Jumpman over here on that 3M reflective material over here. Other than that, see if I can pop out the insole. Yeah, there you go. Insole is right there. Blue, and nothing to it. Beautiful shoe. What can you rock with these? Yo, you can rock the New York Mets jersey. Definitely can do that. If you have any blue t-shirt, you can rock it with this. I see a black jeans. Black jeans is gonna go very stupidly well with these because of the sail and the you know, black midsole is gonna go very well with it. What else can you do? You could do some joggers with these. Beautiful shoe, beautiful shoe. I like it. I can't complain too much about the shoe. Jordan 5s are nice, you know, if you find one that fits you right. You also got that, you know, like so to speak, graffiti in the interior over here. I have got a hat, the New York Mets hat. Okay, there you go. You could tell for yourself how it kind of, like, you know, synchronizes with the cap. So let me know if you have one of these, if you cupped, if you want a cup, how you gonna rock it. Like I said, it looks very good in person. When you see the pictures, it might be an understatement, you know. When you see it in person, it's totally different. Well, stay tuned for the on-feet action as always. Go check out my other videos if you haven't done so, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and so you can get notified when I post new videos. Peace and out.
Hey, Pete Bowler. I know for a second, y'all ain't think I was playing with y'all. There's somebody else, I'm not the one. But if that's what you want, then that's what you gon' get. Woo! We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on.
Let's go.
Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on.
Let's go.
We can make some guap if you want. Right now I'm swooping stupid Buddha. You should roll up a pack. There ain't no woods, you stupid loser. Who would roll up in that? Though I was foreign, I was starving, I would roll up in lack. Now I'm just charming like I'm Charmin. Now I roll up in rap. I style a wiggle, that's the wiggle, and I blow it, you know. I keep some Play-Doh, call it bagels, cause it's over, you know. Finna get ugly, it's getting ugly, just retire, you got. You niggas bug me, I'ma fire you, fly. We can lick some shots if you want. Pull up and then pop if you want. Whip it till it's rock if you want. Put the shit on lock if you want. We can throw some pop if you want. Order up some shots if you want. Baby, kiss my cock if you want. Baby, make it pop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on.
Let's go.
Try to make me stop if you want. I don't leave you on. I don't leave you on.
Let's go.
We can make some guap, bitch, feel you knew the rules. Ballin' out new to you. I come from the pitch, my niggas fish out some poodle dudes. Whip like some flying by, bitch, I'm like cyanide. They running out of talent, so they signing and signing out. A pint of the finest, sip up, please mind my hiccups. To try and remind them kids of the crimes in the time of Hitler. I'm high, man, it's very potent. My eyes, they could barely open. I'm high, man, it's very potent. My eyes, they could